Welcome back to the channel, everyone. About to take the 350 out. It's been a couple days since I took this car out because I've been breaking into the 99. So I want to show this car some love. I didn't get gas, I do believe. I think I'm at like, ooh, that's close as hell. Why did I park like this? I believe there you go. I believe I'm like 40 to E. So I'm gonna have to get gas. But let's get a cold start. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 46 to E. I knew it. Oh, buddy. I need to go ahead and actually tighten up this shifter. I need to put the MGW in here, but I didn't know the MGWs for this car were so expensive. They're like $500, but it makes sense because obviously these shifters are like mounted on the transmission. There's a lot more bracing, but $500 for a short throw, that's insane. I mean, I can buy, I think, 3 short throws for the 99 for the price of 1, which is like, it's crazy, man. That Shelby tax is real. Let me tell you that. Woo! I let the oil temp warm up a little bit, but I'd be lying to y'all if I said I didn't install this car pulling out of my driveway. It just feels completely different compared to that McLeod and the 2 valve. Oh man. My downshifts are kind of not on point either. I gotta get reused to this car. Dude, it's 2 completely different driving experiences, especially now. I kind of want to get a lightweight flywheel for this car. Shit. I wonder if you can do that with the stock clutch. Probably not. Let me know in the comment section if you can. Because if you can, I'm gonna do it. Because I bet you this would be a million times more fun to drive than it already is with the lightweight flywheel. Oh man, I can imagine it right now with the lightweight flywheel. Woo! Imagine if I did a lightweight flywheel and a carbon fiber drive shaft. Holy shit, with boost, it would feel incredible. Let's get some E85.
A few moments later.
All right, we got E. Come on now. Oh, thank you. My shifter rattle. Damn, bro, why is all this traffic right now? Like, dude, I'm backfiring every single shift. Jesus, I don't know if you guys can hear this. Hell yeah. Uh-oh, am I seeing raindrops? Oh my God, look at that Porsche right there. Please merge on the highway. Oh my God, if he merged on the highway, we got a seat. I'm gonna get out this guy's way because he's trying to get out from around me. Is that Porsche? Oh, there he goes. Look at this. It's a GT3. Hell yeah, that shit's dope. That guy's like, fuck that, a Mustang owner, let me not. You know, that guy was terrified of my ass. I would be too, I ain't gonna lie. Got rock. It's starting to rain. And this thing is backfiring like crazy. Beautiful. That Porsche is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at all this traffic. Man, that Porsche is fucking clean. I want to hear it. Actually, yeah! This is literally Texas in a nutshell. I'll tell you that right now. About these 350s, you don't even have to have a lot of horsepower at all. fucking crazy. One just fucking came out of nowhere. Woo! This thing is backfiring today, y'all. It's because I'm actually driving it. That's why it's backfiring. I think Buddy and the GT3 RS, or the GT3 merged off. Or he's about to head south. But either way, that was badass, man. Alright, that was sick. I'm gonna catch y'all when I do get off the highway though. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the POV drive. That was badass if I say so myself. Not every day you run into a Porsche GT3. I'm telling you guys this right now. If a GT350R or a GT3 RS pulled up, I would have lost it. I would have lost it, man. That was pretty sick. So if you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, stay up to date, man. Trying to break in the clutch on 99 as quickly as possible, and also, you know, enjoying the Shelby. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.